Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 8000 and let me share with you how to turn off dial pad tones on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps, and here we have to go to the settings. So let's enter, and as you can see, if you will be on the network and connectivity, we have to go to the right to the personalization and enter the sound. Now we have to go to other sounds, and as you can see on the very first position we've got dial pad sound. So let's select it, and here you can either decide if you want to keep it turned on or turn it off. So if you want to, just go to off and press the button, and as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on you won't hear this characteristic sounds after using the dial pad. So actually this is it. This is how to manage, how to turn off the dial pad sounds in your Nokia 8000. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.